I'm Dr. Sulata Shenoy, Director of Turning Point, Center for Psychological Assessments, Therapies and Counseling in Jayanagar, Bengaluru. All of us have been in and out of love relationships, right from the first crush, adolescence, young adulthood into mature adulthood. This is a normal phase of growing up and finding your own emotional balance and maturity. And this is very necessary for us also to experience what it is to love, to lose and to love again. Why is it that some people seem to move on in life, forget a failed relationship, forge new relationships and be mature and content in the process, whereas others seem to break down, cannot take any kind of stress later on and seem to be stuck in the past. One needs to realize that relationships form a very important part of one's identity and personality, and there is nothing wrong in a relationship that has not worked out. Instead of calling these as failures or lost love, I would say just look on these as past experiences that teach you how to be more mature and how to forge better relationships in the future. Accept and allow yourself to feel. All of us need that emotional connect with ourselves as well as with others. And if you have been in pain due to the loss of a loved one who has moved on or a heartbreak that has happened, you need to accept and feel that pain. Take a step backwards from your own immediate circumstance, look upon yourself and see the person within you who is suffering so much. It helps because when you are in the immediate grip of intense pain, you lose rationality, you lose the ability to think logically. So, just realize that this is but one part of you, whereas there are many other parts of you that can come together to nurture this heartbreak. Reframe your feelings. Example, instead of calling it a failed relationship, you can call it a relationship that is over and that both you and the other person need to move on. So, rephrase in constructive ways. It would also help to share your feelings with trusted companions. At the same time, please don't burden the other person with your sob stories or go excessively into rumination about the past, because these can be counterproductive. But don't bottle up your feelings, find a safe and healthy outlet and remove all reminders of the past. We cannot expect the brain or the human mind to function in a constructive way when you are constantly putting things that remind the mind about the past. So, this could be deleting chat histories, deleting telephone numbers, photographs, letters, whatever you think would remind you of the past. Because we are only human and it's only human to feel that okay, this was something that you could have done, or to get into a self-pity mode which you really want to avoid at this point of time. Next, anticipate and plan. If you find that your ex's birthday is coming up, then certainly you don't want to be at home moping and thinking about that. You would rather be with a small group of friends enjoying yourself so that you can forget the pain of the reminder. It helps to write a note about your feelings, and towards the end write a short and sweet farewell note to that person, and please don't post it, but I would suggest you tear it up and throw it out, because that is what you really should be doing from your life too. You should be accepting the good things you have had with that person, at the same time wishing that person well, and very important, wishing yourself well too. To divert your mind, take up a new hobby, learn a new skill, remember the larger picture, remember that you have a purpose in life which is much bigger than the lost relationship which you are craving for right now. So, if you put these things in place, believe me, you can in no time get over lost love and find love again. All the best.